Welcome back to the best cars. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of BMW. For over a century, BMW has been synonymous with innovation, performance, and luxury. Whether you're drawn to their precision engineering, cutting-edge design, or groundbreaking technologies, BMW remains a brand that inspires passion and admiration worldwide. So let's explore the rich history, timeless legacy, and exciting future of this iconic car manufacturer. This is BMW, the ultimate driving machine. BMW was founded in 1916, but did you know it didn't start as a car company? Initially, BMW built aircraft engines, a legacy reflected in its iconic logo, the spinning propeller against a blue Bavarian sky. After World War I, restrictions on aircraft production forced BMW to pivot. By 1923, the company launched its first motorcycle, the R32, and soon after, BMW made its debut in the automotive world with the BMW 315. Over the years, BMW has evolved from humble beginnings to one of the world's most respected automakers. From pioneering advancements in engine technology to designing some of the most luxurious cars ever built, BMW continues to uphold its reputation as a symbol of engineering excellence. What sets BMW apart is its unwavering commitment to the driving experience. Every BMW is meticulously designed to deliver a perfect blend of performance, handling, and comfort. The brand's iconic 50-50 weight distribution provides unmatched balance, allowing drivers to feel completely connected to the road. Whether you're cruising in a sleek 3 Series sedan or pushing the limits in an M4 coupe, BMW cars are engineered to deliver exhilaration. But it's not just about speed. BMW's innovation shines in its technologies. From the advanced xDrive all-wheel drive system that tackles all terrains to the intuitive iDrive infotainment platform that keeps you connected, every feature is designed to enhance the journey. And let's not forget the BMW M Series, the pinnacle of performance. These high-performance models, like the M3 and M5, bring motorsport technology straight to the streets, delivering breathtaking acceleration and razor-sharp handling. BMW's design philosophy is where art meets engineering. The iconic kidney grille is instantly recognizable, symbolizing power and elegance. While the grille's size and shape have evolved, particularly in bold models like the 7 Series and iX, it remains a core element of BMW's identity. Step inside any BMW, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends luxury with technology. Premium materials, ergonomic layouts, and cutting-edge features like ambient lighting and gesture controls create an interior that feels as futuristic as it is comfortable. BMW also prioritizes functionality in its designs. Every curve and line serves a purpose, optimizing aerodynamics and efficiency while maintaining a sleek, dynamic aesthetic. It's this marriage of form and function that has made BMW not just a car manufacturer, but a design icon. As the world embraces sustainable mobility, BMW is leading the charge with its electrification strategy. The BMW i Series revolutionized the electric vehicle market with innovations like the compact yet futuristic i3 and the hybrid supercar, the i8. Today, BMW is taking electric performance to new heights. Models like the BMW i4 and iX showcase cutting-edge eDrive technology, offering incredible range, fast charging, and exceptional performance. These aren't just electric cars, they're BMWs through and through, designed to deliver the ultimate driving experience. But BMW's vision extends beyond cars. The company is embracing sustainability at every level, from using renewable energy in production to developing fully recyclable components. By 2030, BMW plans for half its sales to come from fully electric vehicles, with an ambitious goal of achieving carbon neutrality by 2050. BMW proves that luxury and sustainability can coexist without compromise. BMW's passion for performance is deeply rooted in motorsport. Since the early days of racing, BMW has dominated the track, competing in events like the 24 Hours of Le Mans and DTM Touring Car Championships. The lessons learned on the racetrack directly influence BMW's road cars, particularly the M Series. Models like the M3 and M4 are born from racing DNA, offering drivers an experience that's as thrilling as it is precise. But BMW's motorsport legacy isn't just about winning, it's about pushing boundaries and inspiring innovation. Every victory, every milestone, and every groundbreaking development is a testament to BMW's commitment to excellence. BMW isn't just a car brand, it's a legacy, a symbol of innovation, luxury, and passion that has stood the test of time. From its early days of crafting aircraft engines to shaping the future of electric mobility, BMW continues to set the standard for what a car can be. Thank you for watching The Best Cars. If you enjoyed this deep dive into BMW, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth content. And now we want to hear from you. What's your favorite BMW model and why? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.